In this clip, the left heel is raising from the floor to bring the weight down to the front of the foot. The foot is lifting slowly in order to let the weight roll down to the front. And as the movements become smaller, with less effort, there's barely any perceptible movement. The weight is rolling in the heel. So the toes are supported in the lifting process by the weight shifting into the back of the heel, reducing muscle effort. Transferring over to the left foot, the movement is smaller, lighter, with less effort. The weight is rolling through the heel and the ankle joint. And coming back to the left foot, the movement is smaller, lighter, and has less effort.